What if the skill you've been brushing off as just a hobby could actually pay your bills and dare, or even replace your 9 to 5? Picture this. You're sipping coffee on a Saturday morning, laptop open, and your side hustle is bringing in cash while you're still in your pajamas. In today's world, having only one source of income feels like standing on one leg, wobbly and risky. But here's the good news. The skills you already have, the ones you take for granted, could become your ticket to financial freedom. This isn't just about starting a business. It's about transforming what you're good at into something that generates real money on your own terms. Think about it. Americans everywhere are finding ways to monetize skills. A college student in Chicago tutoring online, a dad in Texas fixing cars out of his garage, a teacher in Oregon creating printables on Etsy. This isn't just a trend, it's the new economy. And the beauty? You don't need a massive following or a pile of cash to get started. You just need clarity, consistency, and courage. Core principles. 1. Recognize your marketable skills. Your first step is to stop underestimating yourself. Whether it's graphic design, woodworking, coding, cooking, or public speaking, somebody, somewhere is willing to pay for it. Take inventory. What do friends always ask you for help with? What skills do you use daily at work or school? That's your goldmine. 2. Start small, but start now. Don't wait for the perfect plan or website. Begin with a single service or product. Platforms like Upwork, Etsy, and even LinkedIn make it easier than ever to test the waters. The faster you start, the faster you learn what works. 3. Treat it like a business from day one. Even if it's part-time, approach your new income stream with a professional mindset. Set clear prices, track your hours, deliver with excellence. This builds trust and momentum, and trust converts into income. Practical steps: make a skill list. Write down 5 to 10 things you're good at. Don't filter. Include hobbies, workplace talents, or creative passions. Choose the easiest skill to monetize and focus there first. Too many streams at once. Burnout. Create a free profile, portfolio, or social post showcasing your skill. No fancy website needed to start. Give your first few clients a discount or bonus in exchange for reviews, jar testimonials. Social proof sells. Once you have steady income, reinvest into better tools, training, or marketing. Imagine this. You're driving home from work, but instead of feeling drained, you're excited. Because tonight you'll spend an hour doing freelance writing, designing, or coaching, and that hour could fund your next vacation or pay off debt faster. That's not just extra cash. It's freedom, options, and confidence. Yes, it's intimidating. You'll question if anyone will buy. You might feel awkward promoting yourself, but every successful side hustler started right where you are. Stay consistent for 90 days. You'll be shocked at the traction you can build. Remember, action beats perfection every time. If you're ready to stop just dreaming about financial freedom and start creating it, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly motivation, and drop your top skill in the comments. Let us brainstorm how you can monetize it. You're sitting on a treasure chest of skills. The only question is whether you'll let it collect dust or unlock it. Start small. Start messy. But start, because the future you is already thanking you for turning your skills into income streams.